Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the headphones have power and sit close to your phone. Low battery masks fixes. Once charged, go into Bluetooth and forget the AirPods Max so you remove corrupted pair settings. Then perform a soft reset by holding the digital crown and noise control buttons together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears temporary firmware glitches. After that, repair immediately to verify whether sound channels and controls behave normally. Next, you'll verify software and where audio is sent. On iPhone, check the AirPods Max firmware in Settings General About. Updates can fix driver issues. Make sure audio routing points to AirPods Max from the control center. Switching output off and back can restore stereo balance. If problems persist, reset your phone's Bluetooth cache or pair the AirPods Max with a different device to isolate whether the issue is the headphones or source. Testing with another app also helps identify app-level audio problems. For final steps, perform a factory reset and set up the AirPods Max as a new device to clear persistent configuration errors. Hold the digital crown and noise control until the LED flashes amber then white. If one channel still drops or static remains, contact Apple support for diagnostics or warranty service because it may be a hardware fault. Make sure to check ear cushions and magnetic connectors for debris. Sometimes dirt or misalignment interrupts contact and affects audio. Clean gently and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.